Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Slow cooker barbecue pork ribs. So here's our main ingredient, our ribs. I have a slab of St. Louis style pork ribs, and sometimes you can get it already cut into pieces, but this is a whole slab, which is kind of nice because if you wanted to, you can always do some double rib chops instead of single rib chops. The first thing you're going to do once the ribs are thawed is to take the juice of one lime, squeeze it all over the ribs, let it sit for about 15 minutes and then rinse it under cold running water. Once the ribs are clean, you'll season using fresh ground garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste, and I will leave the ingredients list and quantities in the description box below for you guys. Here are the final two ingredients, and this is what is really going to give that nice kick and delicious flavor to your ribs. You know, this was like a really happy accident because I ran out of my barbecue sauce. I just had a little bit in the bottle. But I did have this Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce and glaze, so I thought, well, why not use that along with the little bit of barbecue sauce, and it worked. Slow cooker ribs using a combination of Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce and Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce and glaze. I'm going to set this on high for 4 hours, and then we're going to check it. It's been 4 hours and I can't wait to see what our barbecue ribs look like. Wow. And they smell amazing. So let's give them a check. Ooh. Super tender. Perfect. Got me a little loose piece that I can try. So tender, juicy, and absolutely delicious. I just want to show you this. The ribs are just to the point where they're getting ready to fall off the bone. They're that tender, but they haven't actually done that, so I think that's the perfect doneness. Look at this bite. Juicy, tender, so moist and delicious. You know that term, fork tender? Well, I think I'm going to have to coin a new phrase right now and say spoon tender. Look at this. These are the last two ribs going down right now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.